Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, if you can look into that, we have created multiple imports, right? We have a multiple imports in the test and multiple objects creation, which is gonna be a confusing factor. And whenever we are dealing with the multiple classes, that would be a bit confusing. So how can we simply handle this one? To do so, what I'm doing here is whatever this the test case that we have created, I copied it and I pasted it again as a second spec file. Okay, open source 2. This is a second spec file that I have created in which I just deleted my first whole end-to-end scenario. I just kept only my second scenario for a better visibility. I just created this instance. And now what I'm gonna do right now is in order to manage my pages, I'm creating a page manager file. Okay, a page manager file. And this page manager file is a class. I'm gonna create a class inside the page manager file. So here, what I'm gonna do right now is export a class page manager. I'm just creating this particular page manager class. And inside this particular page manager class, I'm using this particular read only and the page, and this is of a type of page itself. Okay, and this is of a type of page itself. And if you observe, guys, basically, this is what the default, okay, this is what the default way that we focused on in the previous sessions also, whatever the class that we have created, this is the basic step that we did so far, right? Creating a class, creating a constructor. And now what I'm doing is within this particular class, I will create a method instance to login page. This is a method. This method will return me an instance. Okay, this method will return me an instance. So here, what I'm gonna do right now is let me create a property stating that read only. Um, Login page. Okay, see here, login page instance, and this is of a type login page. Right? This is a login page instance. This is of a login page type. Within the constructor, I'm gonna assign this value, which is a login page instance. This is equal to new to that login page, and I'm just passing this dot a page. That's it. And right now, I'm returning this instance. I'm returning this dot instance. So what we have done right now in the page manager class, whatever the object that you have created for the login page, I created my customized method there. I just created my customized method. So as part of my new source here, delete all these imports. I don't want all these imports. I just want only a page manager, and that too that should be imported from a page manager class. That's fine. And here I just want an instance to page manager, and this is gonna be a page manager. Okay, perfectly all right. And here within the page manager, so here the steps are we need to open the application. Within the page manager, this is a method that it is creating an instance to the login page. So here what I am doing is page manager dot instance to the login page in which open the source demo application. The same way from the page manager, call the method and simply call close the browser. That's it. This code was converted in this particular way, in this simple manner. This code was converted in a simple manner. Let us try to run this particular program and check it out whether the page manager is executing the content as usual or not, just opening and closing. It's perfectly all right. Now we have created this particular page manager instance only for the login page. Now you need to create these instances for not only for the login page. What are all the pages that you need to create? If you look at it, home page, your cart page, your info page, overview page, and an order confirmation page. Let us deal one after another. So here, read only. This is a login page is done. Home page instance. this is gonna be a home page. Okay, and let us write it down here. So here, this dot home page instance is equal to new home page, and I'm gonna pass this information. Okay, and I'm gonna pass this information. Now here, I'm writing down a particular method, instance to, okay, instance to home page. Okay, I'm writing down the method instance to home page, and this is returning this dot home page instance. That's it, this dot home page instance. Perfectly all right. So what I am doing right now is whatever my first, or else let me copy my first program execution and paste it again, and I'm changing it to my third runner, and in this remove all these imports. Just import a page manager, and this is gonna be a page manager. Import this particular page manager, and here remove all these things. Okay, remove all these things, and here instead of this page, I'm changing it to page manager, and for a readability, I'm just giving it as a PM. Okay, in the PM, basically, if you look at it, instance to the login page. So come back here. So this should be PM dot instance to the login page method. Wherever the login page instance is there, you just need to use it in this particular way. Okay, and let us see, do we have any login page instances? So this is the login page that has to be called. So I'm deleting my second test from this file. I just want to only one test here. Perfect, the login page is done. Now this PM does have, okay, if you look at the PM, it does have a home page also. There is a method. So come back here, this should be PM dot home page. That's it. Perfectly all right. So wherever the home page is there, just replace it with this particular instance. Perfectly all right. So both the login page and a home page is done. So the next page that we have, if you look at it, this is an your cart page. Okay, the next page that you have is an your cart page. So here, read only your cart page instance. Okay, and it's gonna be your cart page, and here this dot your cart page instance is equal to new your cart page. Okay, new your cart page. Perfect. And the same way here, I also am writing instance to, okay, instance to your cart page. So we have a created for one, and we are expanding to multiple. Okay, this dot your cart page, it should return. So wherever the your cart page is there in your code, that should be replaced with the PM dot your cart page. Perfect. And after the your cart page, the next page is a your info page. Come back to the page manager. So here, read only your info page instance, and it's gonna be your info page. And here I'm just writing down this dot your info page is equal to new your info page. I just created it, and here instance to your info page. What it's gonna return? This is gonna return this particular one. Perfectly all right. So wherever in your spec file you have this your instance, it should be replaced with the PM dot this your info page. Okay, it should be replaced with the PM dot your info page. Okay, perfectly all right. So your info page, this is returning this your info page, and this is your info page. This your info page has this particular method. Okay, perfectly all right. We'll see why it is failing. That's fine. But PM dot your info page, this is the thing. After the your info page, there is an overview page. Okay, after the your info, there is an overview page. Let me cross check the names that we have given here. Your info page, your info page. Okay, your info page. Okay, and here The instance that I have used is an your info page instance, and this I'm returning and with a semicolon and check out here. Okay, so where is this spec 3? So here your info page we are getting an issue. Instance to your info page. We are returning this one. Okay, that's fine. We will see what is the issue later. Okay, enter the details. Does not exist on type. Okay, that's fine. We'll see this one. Okay, we'll see why exactly we are getting this one, but that's fine. So the next page here is an overview page. Okay, the next page here is an overview page. So let's come back here. Read only overview page instance colon overview page. Okay, and here this dot overview page instance is equal to new overview page of this. Perfectly all right. And here I'm just writing down my method instance to overview page instance to overview page, and here this should be returning this instance. That's it. Now wherever the overview page is there, you just call it. So here we have an overview page somewhere here, so it should be called using a pm dot an overview page. Perfectly all right. Okay, so pm dot an overview page, and the last page that you have is an order confirmation page. Okay, the last page that you have is an order confirmation page. So here come back, and this time read only order confirmation page instance colon order confirmation page, and here this dot order confirmation page is equal to order confirmation page of this. Perfectly all right. Good. And after that, the next one is instance to confirmation page. Okay. Instance to confirmation page. And here add a return keyword followed by this. Perfectly all right. See, guys, one thing that I'm missing here for these your overview page and other things is an return keyword. So let me add a return. So let me add a return. Perfectly all right. Now come back to this particular spec file, and the last one that we need to call here is instance to confirmation page. Come back here. All those errors were gone right now. So this is the one pm dot this one. That's it. So all these things, if you observe, there were multiple imports. As of now, you have a one import. There were multiple object creations. We have just one object creation. Inside that object creation, there are multiple methods that you are calling. Okay, perfectly all right. When you try to run the program, the execution is one and the same. But the only difference here is the way how the script looks like, is a much more in a neat manner, in a cleaner manner. That's the way how exactly we can create. Okay, that's the way how exactly we can create a page manager class, and you can manage all the page instances in that particular class itself. Okay, the test script executed successfully without having any issues. Perfectly all right. So this is all about this particular page manager. Okay. Thank you very much. See you again in the next session. Bye bye.